I'm a man with a beard who likes to do makeup. And that was weird to other people. I'd be shopping next to other customers, and they were kind of like, do you need help picking out something for your girlfriend? No. I grew up in a small town in Pennsylvania, and it was very centered around like football, baseball, hunting, and just like hypermasculinity. I never really felt like I fit in, so I always felt a little suppressed from a very early age. My passion was always gymnastics and just like dancing around the house and being artistic with my body, and people thought that was weird and feminine and different, and I was picked on a lot for it when I was a kid. There was a time where I refused to go to school. I was so terrified because I was being picked on like in the cafeteria. This kid wanted to beat me up after school, and thank goodness for my mom. My mom, along with my older sister, just said like, look, you gotta go in there and you got to just own who you are. They've always been my champions, always. And they never made me feel bad about myself. My mom gave me the love of 1,000 parents. And I would not have survived childhood without her at all. And then I think a big turning point in my life was when I was 16 years old. The Olympic Training Center in Colorado Springs invited me out there to train in the Junior Olympic training program. Moving out of the house early and away from my hometown, I almost got to reinvent myself and be who I wanted to be. And that's where I really started to blossom. I met my first boyfriend out there, and he took me to my first ever gay club, and for the first time ever, I saw men in makeup, drag queens, people that I thought never existed in real life. The first time that I really discovered makeup, I walked into a Sephora, and I was like, what is this place? There was like colors and glitter and so many products I never heard of. I was blown away. And I was like, I'm gonna do this. I felt alive, and I completely just like took a 180 in confidence. There is no one right way to be beautiful. I am a man, I have a beard, I have chest hair. I am not the norm, but there are other people out there like me. And it is important for us to take up space, men in beauty, queer people in beauty, and show people that no matter who you are, how you look, or where you're from, you're beautiful.